Calling all the heroes, it's time to pose. Yes, I'm going to encourage you to be a poser, to pose for your YouTube thumbnails. Why would we do something like that? Well, people do judge a book by its cover. And when it comes to YouTube, it's even more true that people judge a video by its YouTube thumbnail. In fact, many people, not everybody, but many people will decide whether or not to watch your video, that precious video you've poured energy, time and attention into. They'll judge whether they're going to watch it or not based on the thumbnail. Therefore, it's worth having a photo shoot with a green screen so that you can have lots of poses to use in different thumbnails. You can take the green screen out using software and put in a background that accentuates the unique message of each video. It's a lot of fun and it's easier than you might think. All you need is a green screen and a photographer who knows what he or she is doing. So give me a call and let's get posing.